Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make your image size small. So there will be times when you will be dealing with image size that is way too big for your project. Let's just download an image. So this looks good, and if I click on free download, it will be downloaded in my download folder. So if I go here, you can see the image size is 2.56 megabyte. So this is just one image, but when you will be making a website, there will be a lot of images, maybe 100 images or 1000 images. So if one image is taking this much space, then just imagine what 1000 images will do to your website. So basically what you want to do is you want to have your website, you want to maintain the quality of your images as well, but you also want to make sure that the size is not that much. So what you can do is you can go to this website. This is called Tiny JPG, and what it does when you drop your image here, it will basically reduce the size, but it won't hamper the quality much, so that you can get the same image for less size. So basically what you have to do is you have to drag this image here, and basically the size was 2.7 megabyte before compression, and in a second you will see that after the compression the size will be much less. So let's wait for a while. So the size has been reduced to 800 kilobyte. So that's like kinda just saved you 67%. So almost 2 megabyte is gone. So what you can do now, you can just download this and it will be downloaded here. So let's give it a while and it's downloaded. So this is the first image, and if I open this one, this is the very first image that we downloaded from the Pixels website, and this is the second image. So you can see the quality is not that much different from one another, but the size is 800 kilobyte here and 2.56 megabyte here. So this site is saving you a lot of space by just compressing the images. So you can just use the website however you want. So you can add up to 20 images, and maximum size can be 5 megabyte. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.